Hello everyone and welcome on this new deeper analysis video on the gold from Xtreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. Before we start, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel and kindly leave a comment and share the video. Also, I would like to remind you that last Wednesday I actually have sent an update on the gold signal to sell the gold. I think it was somewhere right here, maybe, if I'm not mistaken. Unfortunately, that signal has failed. It went in around 150 pips of profit before finally reverses back and go against our direction. But again, we are doing the best we can. No one can predict the gold right now because it's really rising like there is no tomorrow, and at some point it will be way overbought and the gold will reverse. The problem is no one really knows when. However, I would like to highlight that my silver signal, however, did really so well. I sent a signal to buy the silver from 30.921 and it indeed hit the take profit level at 163 pips of profit. So again, we are doing the best we can to analyze the market, but of course, not every time the market will go exactly as we are wishing to. So of course, we are doing the best here to analyze the market, especially the gold is really rising like there is no tomorrow and nobody knows when it will reverse. However, we have here some ideas and I would like to share it with you. So I believe right now that this is the right time to finally sell the gold for many reasons. First of all, if we check right now the daily chart, the gold indeed has actually reversed right here exactly at Fibonacci 261.8. The gold has indeed reached that level at 261.8 and right now it's looking for a bearish movement. Not only that, but also I would like to highlight this price action, which rarely has actually failed me. Once I see this price action appeared on a resistance level, especially on weekly or daily chart, especially monthly, the market usually starts the bearish reversal once this candle appears on the resistance zone. If I would like to check the history to find some examples to share with you. Actually right here I cannot find anything at all. I want the same candle. I actually checked before recording. I was actually barely able to find any. Maybe not with the gold, but maybe with other pairs. I mean, right here we have example, but not the exactly same candle, but that is actually a good example of when the market reached an overbought level. After the appearance of this candle, the market started the bearish reversal. Last example, if I can just find one. If I'm lucky enough, we have right here also almost the same candle appeared when the gold rose again right here and been overbought. After the appearance of this candle, the market kept falling again. So again, we are relying on the price action and the Fibonacci 261.8. Not only that, but we have also other ways to analyze the market. If I switch right now to the 4-hour time frame, and if we just, let me just show it to you. If we just actually analyze the, 1 second. All right, sorry about that. I had to pause the recording just to make sure that my analysis is okay, because actually I just got confused between the daily and 4-hour time frame. However, yes, I am correct. I'm on the 4-hour time frame right now, and as you can see, if I just simply draw here the support trend line and create here a channel, now what we can see right now is really interesting, because right here, of course, we have a channel and the gold has actually been ranging inside of this channel. And not only that, but if we highlight this, the highest level of a real resistance trend line, check out what happened later. Not a single candle was actually able to close above this level of a resistance trend line. All the time, there was only wicks here and there. We have here short wick, long wick, longer wick, wicks. I mean, not a single candle was actually able to close as a full candle above this level of a resistance trend line. Not only that, but also if we switch right now to the 1-hour time frame, what we have right here also is interesting again. We have head and shoulders. So again, a lot of signs tells us that the gold most likely is going to continue the fall after it reached the highest level of a real resistance. And now for the fourth and the final confirmation, if we check here, of course, the broken level of a support trend line, we can see clearly that we had here, of course, a support trend line that indeed has been broken out from with that bearish breakout candle. So most likely the gold will continue the rise to reach, first of all, the highest level of a resistance right here. And second of all, it will also retest the broken level of a support trend line and hopefully to create a new resistance trend line. So what I'm trying to say here, my friends, that all the signs from analysis point shows that the gold has a potential to continue the fall. But again, the gold is really still rising and we are not yet sure when it will stop this. I mean, from technical view, I showed you that all the possibilities, even the price action says that the gold should actually start the bearish fall right now. And if it does, it will not be for a long time. I'm not expecting from the gold to continue the fall below this level of a broken resistance right here exactly at 2634. And if I switch right now to the 4-hour time frame, we can see that this is really so near. I mean, this is right here the resistance, and this is right here the nearest level of a bullish breakout to that level of a resistance. So if the gold will continue the fall, it will actually just retest the broken level of a resistance right here, and maybe will start also another rally to continue the rise, and maybe after that it will continue the fall. So until that time, we can actually sell the gold right here at that level of a resistance, targeting the nearest level of a previous resistance right here, and get out with this trade. So therefore, we have to wait for the gold to rise again all the way right here to reach the highest level of a real resistance right here exactly, to be precise, exactly at 2669. And that's gonna be the level where we can sell the gold. We have to wait for it to rise to another let's say around 100 pips before we can start shorting it, targeting at least 350 pips of profit, and a safe zone that shouldn't be ranging higher than the peak of the resistance at 2683, the highest price that the gold has ever reached to, ranging to around 142 pips. Let me now please write the signal for you. And I forgot to mention something here, that since we have here actually this bullish breakout, this bullish candle, right now we can see here, of course, a previous level of a support. Now the gold actually has a potential, right here, has a potential that the opening of the market on Monday to make a bearish candle to respect this level of a support, and after that it will start the rise toward our sell level, which is going to be the highest level of a real resistance, and after that we are hoping for the gold to continue the fall toward our take profit level. So again, that's my own perspective on the gold, and I really hope it will go well. And anyhow, don't forget please to join our free group of Telegram to receive any updates about this signal. If I noticed anything going against our direction, and before the signal hit the stop loss, I will update you right here to close it in a small loss of maybe 60 or 50, like I did with the old signal. I think I did that here, if I'm not mistaken. I think it's somewhere here. I actually have sent an update to close the gold signal in 60 pips of loss. I mean, it's somewhere here. This is of course our free group of Telegram, and you can just simply type it here, Xtreme Trader Signals, and of course you can make it easier for yourself and check the description below of this video to find the link to join directly this group from the description. So again, I really wish the best for everybody this week, and hopefully this signal on the gold will be profitable. So until then, my friends, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.